Yeah, my people, back again with another episode. Today, we're gonna cook some curry chicken with some dumpling, the caramel dumpling. We have some yam. Alright, my people. So, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna get the flour, knead up, put on the flour, put another pot now. Get some salt on the flour, you know what I mean? Then I'll get some water. Then I'm gonna need the flour now, people. I'm not gonna need the flour now, you know what I mean? So, catch me, I need the flour, my people. Alright, my people, jump in the dumpling, them, you see me I say? Yeah, fire hot. So the first thing we're gonna do, peeps, I'll get the corn washed off. So, now we're gonna slice up the corn in there, you know what I mean? Yeah. Nice caramel dumpling, you know? It's nice, you know what I mean, my people? Yeah, dumpling them looking lovely. The corn looking lovely. Let them see what going on the pot. Alright, my peeps, you see? You see? As soon as the dumpling them almost ready to finish cook, it on the corn, we're going to drop in the sweet yam because the yam is very soft. So we cannot put it in the pot as yet. We have to wait first till the dumpling them almost finished cook. It on the corn, then we have the yam go inside the pot. So stay tuned for that, alright? What we're gonna do now, we're gonna get the chicken clean up. Clean up the chicken and get the chicken cut up so we can start get it for curry, you know what I mean? So catch me when I'm out clean up the chicken. Yeah, my peeps, I don't know. We have to clean off them yellow part here off the leg, you know what I mean? We have to clean up the chicken the proper way. So you don't know, when we consume some food the proper way, you know what I mean? Done anything we do, we just do it the right way and done. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, my peeps, so the chicken clean up and looking so lovely and very nice. So what we're gonna do now, I will get the chicken cut up now, you know what I mean? So yeah, my people, this is it, you know? Yeah, my peeps, I put some black pepper on it. I'm gonna use some all-purpose chicken season. I'm gonna put some salt on it. Yeah, man. So we got the chicken season, the all-purpose and the jerk season, and some salt. So we're gonna do now, we're gonna rub it in. Remember my people, rub in the season in the chicken. So when I finish, it's spicy and tastes very nice. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, rub in your season. Yeah, very good, very good. Look at that, my people. You put on, you don't know curry, you know what I mean? So, people, in the pot, another story, looking very wonderful. Look at this, my people. Looking good. Yeah, man, look at this. Looking so lovely, you know? Dumpling them looking nice. Looking at the pot, my people. Water clean, everything just clean. Yeah, man. We're gonna cover up the pot. Alright, my people. We put on the pot, make the pot burn hot. So as soon as the oil get hot, we are going to throw the curry in the oil, you know what I mean? So, look out for this, my people. Yeah, the oil get hotter now. So, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut piece of pepper and drop in the oil. Drop a piece of garlic in the oil same way. So what I'm going to do now, the oil well at my people, so I'm going to throw the curry. They don't know how to burn the curry, because if you do not burn the curry can run your belly, you know what I mean? So get the curry burned, but you know what, my people? I don't like burn my curry till it get black. I don't like that. So curry looking wonderful in the pot. I'm going to drop in the chicken now. You know, people, look at that. Yeah, man. People, what I'm going to do now, because we already check on the dumpling them, and them almost cooked. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to peel the soft yam now, and drop it in the pot. Not what I'm going to peel the soft yam, and drop it in the pot. You see me? Drop the soft yam in the pot and roll, you know? Yeah, man. Let me see the pot. Let me see what I'm going to the pot, you know? Big up Nick behind the camera, you know? Yippee. Look on the soft yam. This is very good, you know? So, what I'm going to do now with people, now I get the vegetable cut up in the meanwhile, so I can get to throw them on the chicken. So, get the vegetable cut up in the meanwhile with people. One of my people, we're going to throw the seasoning them in the pot. Some water towards it. People, add some water to it, you know. Alright people, I'm gonna do it now. We're already get everything together. So I go cover it up, make it go on, take him time and cook them the proper way, you know what I mean? Another check, make another check my people on the pot so they go on tonight. Wow, lovely, lovely. Yeah man, get a story because we don't want the dumpling them to stick on the bottom of the pot, you know what I mean? I don't want the dumpling them to stick, you don't want that. Yeah, look at that my people. Catchery, when everything done cook, yeah my people. We're gonna check in back on the pot again. Check in one more time my people. Yeah, my peeps, I eat that, you know? So, but I will lock off for now. Eat up and practice this. Yeah, my people, look at that. Yeah, man, make them see I go on the pot now, man. Yeah, my peeps, make them see I go on. Yeah, man. Corn looking so lovely. Soft yam looking good, dumpling looking lovely. Yeah man, I'm making people have a look on it. Look at that my people. Look at that, oh my god. So, the curry chicken seems to be cooked already. So, regarding the curry chicken cooked already, what we're going to do now, we're going to turn off the stove. Yeah man. So I'll get go and cover back in the meanwhile because you don't know we'll make the corn cook the proper way. After the corn finish cook, the dumpling already cook already, which the yam already cook also. So as soon as the corn finish cook, we'll be able to take the pot off and have some food share out so we can consume. You know what I mean? So catch me when we are turned off the stove in just a bit. Cause the next 5 more minutes and it can come off, you know what I mean? So catch me when I do that and they show some food my peeps. Yeah my people. So we come check in for the pot again and everything seems to be alright. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna turn off the stove, get some food share out. So Ali and Nick can consume some food. See? So turn off the stove. Come here. No, you're not do that. Hey, these none? Now there's something don't talk about maybe. Yeah?
Chicken there.
Yeah. Don't talk. This one don't video man don't talk no me do. Alright. So I eat this, you know. This is it, my people. So thanks for watching. Remember, people, please, me beg you me attack. Yeah, you my friend, and you me attack. Remember, I'm my friend. I know me I watch you, I'm gonna see a like, me not share, I'm gonna see a subscribe yet. But me remember me tell us, before you don't watch a video, me I beg you, please, like a video, no man, and share it. Subscribe, no man. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. And people, remember, please, me I tell you this, share up the video. And remember, the one thing for me, subscribe. Come on now.